Oh, good morning. I guess it's afternoon today. We're out here to Tokerville Falls. We're headed in to get a Jeep, I think, that's stuck down in the river. We end up in here on a regular basis. We've hauled hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars, of Jeeps out of the Tokerville Falls area. It's always a good time. But we're gonna let some air out of the tires so we don't bounce our brains out. We'll take you along for the ride today. We're in the Black Pearl. I guess you guys have probably figured out that the Black Pearl is probably not my favorite, but it gets the job done, and that's what I was in when I got the call. I got Rob with me today.
I had a big old laundry list of stuff I had to get done, and so when Casey gave me the opportunity to ditch out on all that, I took it.
Yep, you always want to shun your responsibility in life when there's a good time to be had. I hope he's not stuck in the big mud sinkhole, because it takes a little work to get him out of there. But so we grabbed the cameras today and decided we better video this one, and we'll see where we end up. We'll take you along for the ride today.
Here we go. Got a good anchor point on a big boulder.
Huh?
Oh, dude. This is my third time here. I've always gone through this little canyon. Today it decided to get me stuck.
Hey, watch my drum.
Yeah, you're gonna make it. You got a full roll.
All right, I need everybody like that far away. Whatever this distance is away.
Do you want me to pull that? It's coming.
Once we got him out of the big deep hole, we decided to pull the floor plugs to let the water drain out before we hooked the battery back up. Oh, it's clear over here on this one. It's clear over here on the carpet.
Creeks are hard because you never know how much silt came in and settled. So a lot of times they're rocky, but
yeah,
when you get all this silt in there, dude, it just eats you alive.
I've came through here before sometimes. I've had no problem with it.
See, that's the hard part though, because you know the rain will bring in all this silt. When it's just the water and no rain, it'll wash all the silt out, so you just have rock, and then you get good traction. You can bounce right through it.
Yeah. And I got stuck again on the hand, dude. Yeah,
that's just part of it.
Don't look like it.
Water in the oil?
You didn't take any in the intake. Were you going very fast? You're just crawling along.
Oh,
Are you okay if we hook this up?
yeah.
So we need to pull the Jeep over and give him a quick jump start. He's dead in the water. But I don't know if it'll start with that neutral thing engaged.
Right, he's gotta get it plugged back in.
There it goes. It's not flashing. I think I just maybe need
Let me grab
a jump.
That was about as bad as I thought it was going to be. We just hooked up two pulleys there and did a little bit of mechanical advantage and let that old worn XD 9000i work like it didn't even know it was working. That wasn't too bad. We got one or two little river crossings here to get back out of here, and we'll be free sailing. He's going to follow us out. Rocks and sand in his brakes. It sounds horrible, but we'll get him out of here. Good time. What do you think about that, Rob?
I loved it. It was worth the drive.
Did you like my white boots?
Loved them. Pretty stylish. Look at this. Well, you'll see them on the other parts, but
Isn't that cool?
looked like a Power Ranger out there.
I am a Power Ranger. Did you see the power I put on that winch button to pull that guy out of there with one finger? That thumb right there is pretty tough. So anyways, thanks for jumping in there with us today. We had a pretty good time. Let's get some defrost going, for crying out loud. And over here in this drainage, you don't want to be stuck in here in the rain, but you can see we got soaking wet. And a good time was had by all. Rubber ducky, rubber ducky, rubber ducky. Oh, I lost my duck.